Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market analysis for Wednesday the 8th of June. And right now we're just waiting for the little bit of news that we have later on. At 10:30 we have crude oil inventories looking for negative 1.4 million, prior was 2.9. And at 2 o'clock the all-important beige book is going to come out. So that will be interesting to see, what it is going to be and, whatnot. We haven't had much news all week. We did have Bernanke come out and pretty much put to bed the rumors of quantitative easing 3. I wasn't a believer in the quantitative easing 3, and I was, betting that it wasn't going to happen. That's not to say that it's not going to. But he did pretty much say that they weren't going to do it in an indirect way. So that was pretty cool. Let's look for the news the coming week. Tomorrow we have important trade balance unemployment claims, and then Friday we have import prices. So not really much of anything, but then we have G8 meetings and the federal budget balance. So the G8 meetings, something interesting should come out. That's what I'm expecting. Anyway, let's go to the charts, and this is still what I'm looking at. This is a 1, this is a 2, looking for a 3 further down. Is it possible this could be an ABC? It's possible, but it's not likely from what I'm looking at. Let me try to zoom out on this a little bit. And this is what I have. This was an A leg, a B leg, and we're coming up on C. You see that we had the 3, A, and B came up above the 3. And then we're going to be looking for lower in the end of the C leg. So that's what I'm looking at right now. That's why I have my count the way it is, and that's what I'm looking for, lower prices. Can this thing buy up a little bit from here? Sure it can. But in a couple weeks from now, do I think we're going to be under 1270? Yes. So that's what I'm looking for right now. That's the way I'm counting this thing. And we'll have to wait and see what happens from there. But anyway, definitely looking for lower prices in the coming weeks. We'll have to wait and see how the market moves and get in on that. But anyway, thanks for watching these videos. Hope you enjoy them. If you do, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely would appreciate that. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the markets. Thank you.